Father Sosa.
Present, sir.
Likin.
Present, sir.
Masong.
Present, sir.
Magente.
Present.
Dindig lang. So before we start our discussion, what have we discussed last meeting?
Sir,
Yes, Valente.
solving oblique triangle using law of consequence.
So what are the formulas to solve the oblique triangles using oblique triangles? The law of cosines.
Sir,
Valente.
5. A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. And b squared equals 2a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. Then ang last kay c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c.
So, ang lowercase nga letters mo to ang mga sign sa triangle, diba? Then, ang uppercase kay mo to ang nakoy activity ari nga dali ra nga activity na or kung kinsay makatubag kung kinsay makatubag kan tigana ko reward nga tendir na the whole word is siya nawakan lang ka marang so ready na?
Yes, sir.
So first one is
Sir!
ako China 4 minutes
Ako, sir.
Ako, sir.
Sir!
Hi.
Sir, dito ako umaga, sir.
Ikaw. Sa'yo.
Ordinate.
Get
Ano ba yung mga idea kung sa topic karon na
you.
Wala sa double words ka.
Coordinates, partition,
So atong learning nga topic kay kaibaw ko kung unsa nga identify mo kung unsa nga sa quadrant or unsa nga access ang usa ka point sa so let's begin. So Cartesian coordinate. So buwan ta kung ano binsan ang formulate sa
Yes, sir.
so
Very hard.
so ato pa topic ay yung magsisa sa coordinate system coordinate Cartesian and quadrants the four quadrants na ang graph. So the Cartesian coordinate thing was the French mathematician René Descartes and tried to combine algebra and geometry together. So nagkakaw mo kung ganong na pamilya na buhat niya
I think, sir, based on my memory, sir, okay, use like igda and the uppercase, the upper of the ceiling and the what do you call the English with that? The fly. One from from one place to another like that.
So, her famous mathematician called René Descartes lay in bed one night. As he lay there, he looked up at the ceiling and in his bedroom. So, nakita niya nga, kung sa apply, nag-rest dahil sa ceiling. Yeah. So, René Descartes, mathematician, wondered if he could figure out a way of stating where exactly the fly is in the ceiling. So obviously it has to be a precise description dito. So I can't really say to the left or masya ka kung masya ka ikaw kung nakas sa to the left masya or to the right ang fly sa ceiling. So René Descartes took out of his ceiling and applied interesting there and he began to think about how he might be able to describe the exact position of the fly. So René Descartes decided that if he drew two lines at right angles, so that would be one is what he drew niya. So then he might be able to come up with a way of describing the exact position of the fly. So how do you think this would have helped him? How do you think?
Aron ma-pinpoint na sa dapita ang fly.
Para makita niyo kung asa dapat tayo sa points ng fly na may sample grade sa partition grade. Madalas niya. are 5-2. So, para may bawaan ng buwan, kani siya o kani. So, ang atong tawagan ni kay Juan Agsisa. Na kaning kuan sa to mo na yung white, mo na ang kuan. Ang yang other name kay kuan coordinate.
Excuse me, sir, hindi siya bali, sir, ang 5 to, ang 5 ng X. Sorry, so that we can sort it.
Sila ako. So, ano yung kuan? Yung coordinate mo ng 2, yung 5 mo ng 1 na
Isa.
6. So next is the quadrants. So, ang quadrants mo lang nag-divide sa 1 partition thing. Quadrant 1, quadrant 1, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, this is the quadrant 3. Plus is quadrant 4. So, ang source sa quadrant 1 mo nang katuman ang tanang quadrant pairs kay 1 positive. So, next is the quadrant 2. Ang iyang agsisa kay negative.
Negative. And
Ang iyang coordinate kay
positive.
so, sa quadrant 3, isa siya.
Negative ang agsisa, sir. The negative sila or
So, negative ka na. So, ang quadrant 4 mo,
positive ang agsisa. Negative ang coordinates.
So, what if kung ang imuhang ordered pairs kay 1, 5 na 0.
Center.
5.
This is center.
This is center.
Nasa
Sa
nine.
five. Nasa sa five lang.
Ah.
Ang consider pa ka nas kay quadrant 4.
Consider pa na natin.
Center.
Consider pa siya.
Tapos siya quadrant 4.
For me, si Kaylina, kaya na siya sa number line.
Yeah.
So, each coordinate ring is divided into 4 quadrants. One and 1, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, and sa 4. So, using the order first or the x and y axis, you can find the point on the plane. So, to plot an ordered pair, begin at the origin, the point 0, 0. So, 1 and 3 ang 1 ng origin na one sa intersection siya sa x and y axis. The first coordinate tells how many units to move left or right. The second coordinate tells how many units to move up and down. So how many units to move left or right mo na ang one ng x-axis para sa x-axis na ang move up and down mo na y-axis. X-axis, or yun pala, axis o the coordinate grid na y-axis mo na vertical axis o the coordinate So next coordinate, the first number in the order pair details the units to move right or left. Mao ang ginoo dili na move right or left kay naman siya sa x-axis. So ang y coordinate is the second number in the order pair. Details the units to move up or down. So semi gapon kung ginoo na move up and down on one y or b. Order pairs, a pair of numbers used to locate a point on a coordinate plane. So, coordinate plane, a plane is formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line with the x-axis, and the vertical line with the y-axis. So, the origin is the point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect in that coordinate plane. So, anyway, ang quadrant 1 ay positive na lang yung axis, x on y axis. So, quadrant 2 ang 1, negative ang x axis na positive ang y axis. Sa quadrant 3 ay negative ang talan niya axis, ang x and y axis. Na sa quadrant 4, positive ang x axis na negative ang y axis. So this
Yes, sir.
So, naman pagkutana, describe a real-world scenario na magamit ang Cartesian coordinates. Yes.
Okay. Urban planning, sir, like by assigning coordinates to points on a map, planners can determine optional locations for new developments, assess traffic flow and plan transportation routine.
Also, for example, on urban planning. So, another example, asa magamit ang Cartesian.
Ano, sir? Treasure hunt, tignan ang pagpunta sa treasure. Hindi na siya map. So, locate.
Yes. Sa board naman ito na isa'y mga summarize sa atong business.
Ako, sir? So, ato may discuss, sir, kay about sa Cartesian plane, which is the identity cards sa may discover ana. And also, sa Cartesian plane is natin gitawag nga 4 quadrants, which are the quadrant 1, yung iyahan is negative or positive, and the quadrant 2 is the negative and positive, and the quadrant 3 is the negative, and the quadrant 4 is positive and negative. And also we talk about coordinates, sir. Katong the abscissa din, sir, and the ordinate and the ordered pairs, and the x-axis and y-axis, which is x-axis horizontal and the y-axis vertical. Thank you.
Next, we'll have mga activities. So, I want you to turn yourself.
I'm gonna just
Amen.
Try to some right. Five pairs. 5.
5, sir.
5, sir.
Yeah, 5.
So, naman din mga coordinates na ang yung button ni i-plot sa Desmos app. Paano ang Desmos app, di ba?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ano?
Oh, sir. May mo pa.
Maning ka sa mga kahapon.
Easy.
give you 10 minutes to answer all that.
Dancer. Wala kami card.
Kami po. Ano min?
Kami na kauna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Eh, saan na sa ano? Sa bukod.
Yes.
Yeah, doon ka na po. Oh,
Short case na lang.
sige, sir.
Prepare of one full sheet of paper na suwatan mo ang word answer na
Tumahan pa din.
report ako. Give 15 minutes to answer.
Mana, sir. Mana, sir. Ako yung mga muna na ako.
Yung answer na. Math. Sa register. Pasa. So, for your assignments, please advance study the reflection, translation, and translation. So translation and reflection in a coordinate plane. Mag-game mo. Isa ka example.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
That's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Mr. Masong.
See you around. Ang burger ako. Right na.
Ay, ganyan niya. May babuyan siya